In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Amazon account. So in order to do this, you need to head over to the Amazon website and you need to make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, hover over your profile name in the top right hand side and then scroll down and select your account. From here, we're just going to scroll all the way down the page and you'll see this section down here called Manage Your Data. Now in these links below, click on Close Your Amazon Account and then you'll be provided with a little bit more information about closing your account. Basically, all this is saying is that it's a permanent process, and once you've decided to delete your account, there'll be no way of recovering it. So make sure that you're certain about deleting your account, and then we can scroll all the way down to the bottom here. And as you can see, account closure is a permanent action. Select the reason why you want to close your Amazon account. This is optional, so you can't just leave this blank. Tick the box, yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account and delete my data, and then just click on Close My Account. So once you press that button, you will get this confirmation required message here, and this will be sent to you either in a text message or usually in an email. So what you need to do now is just head over to your email account. So this is what the email will look like. It may end up in your junk folder as well. So if you don't see it in your inbox, make sure to check your spam. So to confirm deleting your Amazon account, you just need to press this button here, and it will require you to log back into your account for one final time. And once you've logged in one final time, that's now permanently deleted your Amazon account. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the video comments, and I'll see you in the next one.